Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply a second layer of the Noiko sound deadening mat to your trunk to improve your sound quality. So one of the things you're going to need is a nice pair of gloves that have good dexterity on them so you're able to handle the Noiko material without cutting your hands. Second, you're going to need the Noiko material. It comes in 3 bundles of 3 in a box. Once you get it out, you want to measure up your pieces to fit and contour to your trunk. You're going to need a razor blade like this, a retractable one. So when you go to make your cuts, they're nice and smooth. Also, you want to make your cuts away from the car, not on the car. So now this is me going through deciding on whether to do it horizontal or vertical. I chose to do horizontal. So this way I'll get one full piece to go across the back part of my rear passenger wheel well. The jigsaw method is okay, but I want to do a second layer, and this is how it looks now. And now I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Leave the paper on so we can still test fit it. Make sure all of this will mold correctly. If we get any bends in it, like right here, I'm already starting to see there's going to be an issue. So I'm probably going to have to cut this just to make that fold down nice and not leave any bubbles in this. So we already see we have to make at least 2 cuts. That's my razor. It's retractable. Yeah, so right there. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna put that over top. I'm gonna continue with it. See how that goes. I'm pressing this in to kind of get a generalization of the lines this cut's gonna make when I go to put it in. I'll take the paper off. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna have any bubbles. Alright, see I have to cut in here. So what I'm gonna do, just to make sure everything's on up and up, I'm just gonna cut this section off because it's doing a lot of funky stuff right here. And I mainly want to just get the wheel well anyways. So I'll cut this off. I'll still get the majority of the wheel well in this installation. So I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Here's my cutting tool. Here's my razor.
make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove.
Can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't make myself some crack. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't hold me back. It can't.
Okay, I'm almost done. Now this process you can do as much as you want. Well, not as much as you want. I mean, you gotta figure at some point in time, this metal is gonna, this foil is gonna rip if you apply too much pressure, too many rolls, and then also with these rollers on the edges, it's just straight metal. So there's nothing to stop it from, if you got a tight spot and you dig into it. But also, that's why they sell tape. If you get this product, it behooves you, i.e., it's a bad idea if you don't get the tape, because the tape seals off corners, it seals off these edges, you know? Think of it as like the final nail in the coffin. Yeah, that's what it is. It's the final nail in the coffin in this process. I'm not saying, you know, you're killing it, but, you know, I might just be killing it. I don't know. Leave it in the comments, you know. Anyways, this is about to be done. And when it's done, we're done.